here's the tutorial you guys have been asking me for. These are all the products that I'm going to use, and everything will be listed in my Amazon storefront. So first thing, choose your sizes. There are various ones, and I lay out everything that I'm going to use. Place the nail glue on your nail and the fake nail. Press it on. It's really easy, you guys. Like, really easy. If I can do it, anybody can do it. And of course, you want to file them. And then we're going to go in with the base coat. The key here is to not apply any of these products too thickly, because we're doing a base coat, a builder, and then a top coat. So lots of layers here. So just use a thin layer for each. So next I'm going in with the builder gel. Now this is very thick, so you definitely want to not use a whole lot of this. And now I'm going in with my top coat, cure, and add cuticle oil, and you are done. And they're gorgeous, and they last me 2 weeks. They could probably last me longer, but I'm still getting the hang of applying these. But like I said, it is super easy. If I can do it, you can do it. You're welcome.